being on your devices for a very long period of time can actually overstimulate you. So you might feel fatigued, withdrawn, you might even feel down, and getting into nature has its own remedies. So I've put together a little poem which is called Getting into Nature. Nature is great for many reasons, like reducing stress or just enjoying the seasons. Taking long walks, hugging the trees, listening to the birds, or just feeling the breeze. Being carefree and not governed by time. You're not feeling rushed, so you can really unwind by being in places that lift up your mood and leave you feeling restored and renewed. Utilize these places as it alters your state, calms the mind, and sets you straight. The woods, the beach, and even the ocean all provide great benefits, so go get your potion. Thank you for watching, and I'll do another video soon.